You better be careful, buddy, man. You about to fall.
I know.
Had a little bit too much to drink, man?
Can you tell?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah, I can tell, man.
I mean, I'm just a little. Don't be putting me on YouTube.
Yeah, too late, buddy. You're going on YouTube.
Oh.
Good day, everyone. This is UD back again with another exploration video, and today I'm inside of an old abandoned machine tool factory, or a shop, should you say, or should I say. Alright, right now I'm inside one of the offices, and you can see some of the stuff has been untouched, and other things has been, like the desks and stuff, been kind of ransacked. Scrappers pretty much took everything out of this building. There's a few things left behind, mainly like documents and things of that nature, but I'm gonna show you guys around here. I don't want to show the name of this place. Well, it's right there, but I'll have to blur that out. But yeah, I'm not sure when this place closed. I've been wanting to stop here for a while, and I just kind of was bored today, so I decided to stop. Tons of files and paperwork. I seem to find that a lot in these abandoned places. But I kind of was walking around here a little bit. Wow, this looks like a old fruit cup. What's the name? I was kind of walking around here a little bit, and I can tell that maybe at night people hang out here and chill out, because here, like right around this corner, and you can tell someone been chilling in here, living in here. It says, "In God we trust. Read the Holy Bible." Now safe from mosquitoes, but I need fresh air. can tell that it kind of used the bathroom back here because it doesn't smell too good. So I'm gonna go to another area. There's really nothing left in here because it looks like all the machine equipment has been taken out. Yeah, this just might be the old owner. I don't know what happened to him or the equipment that's in this picture, but this might be him. All right, straight ahead here you can see basically all the blueprints are still here. Left those behind. Let's see what else. What is this a picture of? If you guys know, please let me know in the comments what this is, if you know. Here's some more blueprints. And pictures of the establishment, I'm sure. Alright guys, I hope this, I couldn't find any of the equipment, well, none of the equipment is left, but I did find pictures of what was inside and what it looked like, what this place looked like when it was in operation. So hopefully you can forgive me for the empty building, but finding pictures of what it looks like, what it used to look like. Alright guys, this is a just a regular bathroom. I'm gonna try to avoid the mirrors, but yeah, there's some stuff left in the bathroom. You see Alaska Atlas. Let's see, yeah, Atlas from Alaska, and I'm assuming this is the main office, but you can see this has been ransacked as well. Federal Tax Handbook from 2006. Here's another cover and just more paperwork. So Atlas, every state in America, is right here on this desk. And I'm going to assume that these are his children. On here. Yeah, this is very weird, guys. I'm gonna get out of here because I heard a lot of noise outside. Alright guys, due to this being an unsafe area, I'm going to get out of here. It's starting to get nighttime and I have to go. So I hope you enjoyed this video. There really wasn't anything left, but As you can see, there's just really nothing left. But yeah, I kind of want to get out of here before there's anybody the people that use this building wants to come back. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will catch you in the next one. Thank you for watching.